Okay, hi everyone. So I just got this from the iBesi. I hope I pronounce it well. So this is ring light from iBesi. So let's open it and see what is inside. Let's open. Wow, I think this is big. It's huge. Okay. Oh my gosh. That huge carton. So here it is. You can see it's from iBesi. Is it iBesi or iBesi? I don't know, but I think it's iBesi. So it's a LED ring light for your photography, webcast, and makeup. Whew. I love this. So let's see what is inside. Let's open up and see what they have inside. I have a ring light, but it's not as huge as this. It is huge. So here comes the first bag. I think this is the light here, and it comes with I think this should be the iPod or something. We call it the stand. So here I'm gonna open up, and here we go. Here comes the light. Here comes the ring light. It's huge. Hope you can see it well. It's huge. So I'm gonna set it up and we'll see how. Okay, so here comes the ring light. Here is the ring light. Let's see what other things. Wow. So this comes with multiple cameras, like you can see. This is number one. You can use your multiple, you can use double phone on this. Look at all. The one I have doesn't come with all this. Look at. So this the cable, and okay, I think this is the adapter. This is remote. It comes with remote. I think this remote is for video camera also. So this is first remote, and it has another remote. I think this is for your phone. This is for phone, and it has another head for your camera. This is for camera, like big camera goes on this. Wow, 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 I'm loving this. And the house comes with a manual also, the setup manual. So I'm going to follow the manual and set it up. Have I showed you this? Okay, it comes with, wow, here comes the stand. So I'm going to set it up and let's see how it goes. Wow, I really love this. I'm loving this. It has a lot of things. I have ring light, but it doesn't have all this. No camera, no, just one phone stand. Doesn't come with all this. This. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is very sturdy. Sturdy. It's cute. Okay, let's set it up. Pause. You just be we are checking the light. This thing. It's on. Okay. So I'm done fixing this. Wasn't easy figuring it out. Ooh, this comes with a lot of things. I love this. I love this ring light LED. So the stand is so sturdy, balanced. Oh my goodness. You can adjust the stand. You can see 1, 2, 3. You can adjust the stand so whatever height you want, even if you want it to touch the ceiling of your so I love this. Look at the lights. You can increase, and you can adjust. Do you love this? So this gives you like a orange tone also. You can adjust the tone of the lights here. You can adjust to here is the white, and let's just see how many. You can see when you're adjusting it. Do you see I'm on 100%? So let me take it 81%, 90% here, and let's go back to the white. Okay, this is white. Okay, this is orange at 90%. Do you see the difference? I love this. I love this. So which do you prefer? Is it the white lights or the orange lights? What do you think? So I love this. Thank you, iBesi, for creating something like this. This is so good. So good that I love the quality, the light quality. It's easy. The one I have before, you have to remove the face and put the orange. If you want another light, maybe like orange light or yellow light, you have to take it off. But this, I don't have to do that. All I need to do is just touch here. I get the yellow tone I want. Look at, you can dim your lights all the way down, and you can put on the white lights. So thank you, iBesi. I love this. I love everything all about this. Remember, it comes with 2 remotes. You can see, you can put 2 phones here, and you can put your camera, your big camera, you can put it here. So this is so good. You can increase this to any length you want and control it with the remote. Maybe if I put it far away, you can control. You can always look. You can turn it off here and turn it on the remote. So there's no battery in the remote yet. So I'm going to put in some battery, and then use it if I need full. So it comes with a remote. That's a plus for me. The one I have before doesn't have this. So I love everything about this. Thank you for creating this wonderful piece. And that is it. Bye bye.